Who? Oh, I'm the best looking YouTuber on the planet. Say I'm not. Woo! Smile is already rolling. Alright. Alright, we finna do a makeup tutorial. Move out the way. We gonna do a makeup tutorial. And I'm gonna take NYX Full Coverage Foundation. Non-filtered Sans. What is this? So, this and some brushes, and I'm gonna put it on because I have two sisters and a mom. I know a little something, right? Get in the picture. All right. So we're gonna start with the Full Coverage Foundation. She can't tell me nothing. I'm gonna put a little bit of this. Why don't it come out? Hold on, technical difficulties. Okay. She only gave me like this much, but I'll put this on you. And we got the little makeup light right here. Hold on. Y'all can't see it, but little makeup light. Stop moving. Look at this. This is why, bro.
You need to redo this.
All right, take number one. Come on.
You need another take.
Come on.
That's not. And you got the wrong foundation. Go ahead.
Okay, so she said I got the wrong foundation, but I don't know none of this. Oh my God, it's like painting. I'm gonna speed this up. It's looking pretty good. Y'all can't see it yet. Turn the other way, this way. Don't get in your nose. All right, we need a little bit more. A little bit to mix in. Oh, Jesus. It got on my clothes. All right, I got a little bit more. Picasso J in the building. Jesus. Looking like avatars. Alright, I'm gonna speed this up because it's not coming right. What is this? Alright, so unfortunately I put too much on the forehead, so it's unbalanced, as you could probably see. But it's coming out good, right? Why your eyes look like that? Close your eyes. What are you laughing at? Alright, next we got this. It's called NYX because I've been to the store. It's not NYX. It says finishing powder. So this is a powder. So where your little orange thing go? I'm gonna just put it all on this brush because I don't know how to use this stuff. How you open it? Open it. Alright, see? So far, look at it. It's not too bad. It's coming out good. Right? Or is it the lighting? So, we're going to take a little bit. A little swab. Like that. You need like that much. And now we're going to go over the eyelids. I think this is for the eyelids. Close your eyes. And we're going to go over the next eyelid. And the cheek area, turn to your right.
We need to separate so I can figure out what's going on.
Now turn the other way. We're not going to do what's it called, lip gloss, because that's a personal thing. Alright. Now you can mix in the forehead too. Mix it all together, it all blends eventually. I would do the eyebrows, but just go like this. Eyebrows look fine. Then, that's something else. What is this? Professional Makeup Micro Brow Pencil. So I guess this is a micro brow pencil. It's not opening. Does it open?
Yes.
Oh, hold on. Let me keep twisting. Is that what y'all be going through?
Jesus.
Alright, so we're on to the micro brow pencil now. And we're having some technical difficulties. All right, I got it. So now I'm gonna draw in the eyebrows. Now, yeah, let's try. Close your eyes. I outline it. I'm gonna try to outline it.
Called Ron and said, hey, I made that step. And then moved down. And then he's like, I am in Hawaii with my wife, and I'm gonna try to make that work. She was
This is a rough draft, guys. All right, guys. This is.
Oh my gosh.
All right, you want to shade it in or no? All right, I'm gonna shade it in.
been together, that kind of thing eventually, and that she would have a help to
I don't know how girls do this.
for the home.
All right, so actually, this is not the best, but that's one eyebrow.
Oh my god.
And then we're gonna do the other side.
Oh my god.
Dale, because she could never
Can you see me?
afford that town
Yeah.
by herself.
Go down. I'm just outlining her actual eyebrow, but it's not coming out right. Oh, Jesus. Fill in. I wasn't the best drawer in kindergarten.
Okay, he's breaking it.
Oh, jeez, I'm breaking stuff. How to get a little more, a little pressure.
Ron and Steffi had met together the night that she left.
This is the best we're gonna do. Yeah, she got big eyebrows like me, bushy. All right, so now that we got the micro brow and the NYX,
Is lying to us.
y'all go buy this. It's expensive. And I don't know what color this is. It's a brown, but oh Jesus! All right, what is this for? This is a
Eyeliner.
eyeliner.
You didn't even do my eyeshadow or anything.
Oh, where the eyeshadow?
You didn't grab it.
We'll be back for that in a second. What is this?
Mascara.
Mascara. We're on to the mascara.
Put the eyeshadow first.
Can you go get it? I need you to go get it so that I don't have to cut this video.
Oh my gosh, it's unprofessional.
Alright. Alright.
You need to put
This is mascara. It's
She called Dale.
On the Rise volume lift scar, something like that. You can't see it, but this is what she got. So
I think she went back.
look.
You,
What are you flinch for?
Guys, I'm scared.
I think you hope for the
And you just do a light dab like this. Alright, now we're about to switch eyes.
Oh shit.
What are you doing? My mom done kicked the water over. You can put it over there. Alright, turn that way towards the camera.
have to get a hold of this boyfriend, and the boyfriend is Ron Woodhouse.
Why are you flinching? I'm not even hurting her. She just flinching. What are you doing? Alright, so we're done with that because this is difficult. Now, we got the Sephora. I'm not sponsored by them, but they can sponsor me. Oh, dang. I got makeup all on my finger already. This is what it looked like. And it's, if you turn it, it's like a bow. When you turn it, it go to different levels and stuff like that. What color you want?
It's up to you.
Alright, so we're gonna get. Oh, so you open the top one and it's a mirror actually. That's pretty cool. We're gonna go with. We're just gonna go with a golden. And we take this one. We're gonna take this one and rub it in. Hold on. That's not. Yeah, y'all can't see the color. It's a gold. And this for her cheeks. And it makes it like a glittery. Jeez, you can see it for sure. Alright. Then we're gonna go to the other side.
This morning, did you tell her this morning?
Now the eyebrows is the worst part. I don't know what was going on there. A little bit more?
Oh my god.
Alright, don't look too bad actually.
That's
Alright, now what's left? Wow. All on my fingers. Y'all can't see it, but it's all on my. That's eyeshadow? Alright, so actually, guys, we're gonna go back. That's eyeshadow. I don't know what in the world. Close your eyes.
Ron Holthaus told us the last time that he saw Stephanie was the night of her disappearance.
I talked to her about 6 o'clock on the phone, and then we met briefly.
Okay, not too bad, not too bad.
For about 5 minutes.
Not too bad. Okay.
One thing that really caught my
I think.
was that
What's
Ron
it? That's it?
met together the night.
This is base prep plus prime from MAC. I know that's a good brand. So we're gonna open it and see. What do you do with it? Is it lotion?
No, it's a primer. You put that before your makeup.
Okay, she didn't tell me none of this about a primer, so I'm supposed to know this. Anyway, you got another brush. We'll put a little bit more.
Do it halfway. She's gonna go for it.
Apparently she had
Across the lips, even it all out. Across the chin. Eyebrows can use a little bit of.
Ron Holthaus had made
Let's
a
see.
decision that he wanted to
Alright, I think we did pretty good. So, that's going to be the end of the video. This is going to be the final product.
Oh my god. That's
If you look closely, I did not do too bad. Look at that. It looks good. The eyebrows we're not going to talk about. But alright, that's the end of the video. Tell them to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll do another one at how many? 200 likes? 100 likes. 100 likes and we'll do another one, alright?
5.
5 likes?
Yeah.
Alright, 5 likes and we'll do another one. And I'll actually like prepare it somehow. Alright? Bye.
Huge.